In this video, we will solve further problems from exercise 3.10. Question number 7. Two soldiers A and B in two different underground bunkers on a straight road spot an intruder at the top of a hill. The angle of elevation of the intruder from A and B to the ground level in the eastern direction are 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. So this is, let's say, the soldier A and this is soldier B. So the angle at which the intruder is, he's on the top of a hill and this is the intruder. The angle at which he is 30 degrees towards the eastern direction. Then from the soldier B, the angle is 45 degrees again in the eastern direction. So this is what is given to us. If A and B stand 5 kilometers apart, so they are 5 kilometers apart, find the distance of the intruder from B. We need to find the distance of the intruder from B. So what we have is a triangle A, B, and I. The angle A is 30 degrees. We need to find the angle B, and similarly that you can find angle I, right? So let's okay. So given to us in triangle ABI, angle A is equal to 30 degrees. So angle B will be equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. So that's equal to 135 degrees. Therefore, angle I will be equal to 180 degrees because the sum of the angles inside the triangle is 180 minus 30 degrees minus 135 degrees. So that is equal to 180 degrees minus 165 degree, that is 15 degrees. So we have now found that our angle I is 15 degrees. Now to solve, let's use the sine law. So what is given to us is the length AB is equal to 5 kilometers. Okay, using the sine law or the sine formula, AB divided by sine I is equal to AB divided by sine I is equal to BI, the length BI, divided by the opposite angle, which is sine A. So let's apply the values. AB is 5 divided by I is 15 degrees is equal to BI is what we need to find, and A is 30 degrees. So this would imply that our BI is equal to 5 times sine 30 degrees divided by sine 15 degrees, and sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 into 1 by sine 15 degrees. So let's solve sine 15 degrees. That is sine 45 minus 30 degrees. So that is equal to sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30, which is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Therefore, our BI is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, which is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. So that is 5 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. Since this is BI. So BI is the length and it is in kilometers. So this is in kilometers. Question number 8. A researcher wants to determine the width of a pond from east to west. So consider this to be a pond, and in this pond a researcher wants to find its width from east to its west, which cannot be done by actual measurement. So from a point P, so this is a point P, he finds the distance to the easternmost point. So this is the easternmost point. So he finds this length from P to the easternmost point to be 8 kilometers. So PE is 8 kilometers. While the distance to the westernmost point from P to be 6 kilometers. So from P to the westernmost point, this is the westernmost point, is called W. So PW is 6 kilometers. If the angle between the two lines of sight is 60 degrees, which means this angle, if you're seeing from here, so this is the direction that you would see the westmost point, and this is the direction you will see the eastmost point. So the angle that it makes is 60 degrees. Find the width of the pond. So let's proceed to solve the problem. So what is given to us is this length PW is, to the westernmost point is 6 kilometers and PE is 8 kilometers. And we need to find this length, and this angle here is 60 degrees. So this is a triangle. So in triangle PWE, PE is equal to 8, PW is equal to 6, and angle P is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, using the cosine formula, so using cosine formula, cos P is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared minus the length here WE, let's call that as small p. So small p squared divided by 2 times 6 into 8. P is 60 degrees, so for cos P is 1 by 2 is equal to 36 plus 64 minus P squared divided by 2 times 6 into 8 will be 96. So that implies 100 minus P squared is equal to 96 by 2, which is 48. So that implies that our P squared is equal to 100 minus 48, which is equal to 52. And that is equal to 4 times 13. Therefore, our P is equal to root of 4 into 13, which is equal to 2 root 13. Therefore, the width of the pond is 2 root 13 kilometers. For 9. Two Navy helicopters A and B are flying over the Bay of Bengal at same altitude from the sea level to search a missing boat. So you have two helicopters. Let's call this helicopter A, and this is helicopter B. They are in the same altitude and they are searching for a missing boat. So let's assume that this is the missing boat and this is our Bay of Bengal. Now pilots of both the helicopters sight the boat at the same time. So both these pilots are able to locate this boat while they are apart 10 kilometers. So which means the distance between A to B is 10 kilometers here. If the distance of the boat from A is 6 kilometers, so this length AC is 6 kilometers, and if the line segment AB suspends 60 degrees at the boat, which means this angle here, which is angle C, is 60 degrees, then find the distance of the boat from B. So you need to find the length BC. Now the distance between the two helicopters is 10 kilometers. So this is 10 kilometers, and the distance from the helicopter A to the missing boat, which is AC, is 6 kilometers, and the angle that it suspends is, this angle is 60 degrees. Right. So let's call this as small c and this as small b, and this small a is what we need to find at this point. So given in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 60 degrees, small b is equal to 6, and small c is equal to 10. Since we are given the angle C, let's using cosine formula, we can say C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So let's put the values. C squared is 10. So 10 squared is equal to A squared, we do not know, plus B squared is 6 squared minus 2 into 6 into A into cos 60 degrees. So this, further solving this, 100 is equal to A squared plus 36. This is minus 12 A into 1 by 2. So what we get is A squared, 12 by 2 will be 6 minus 6A, and if we move the 100 to this side, then this becomes minus 64 is equal to 0. Applying the quadratic formula, A is equal to minus B, and here it's 6, so it's 6 plus or minus square root of B squared, which is 36 minus 4AC, so that'll be 4 into 1 into minus 64 divided by 2A, which is 2 times 1. So that's 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus, sorry, this will be a plus 256 divided by 2. Further solving this, this is 6 plus or minus root of 292 divided by 2, which is equal to, let's take the 2 out, so this becomes 2 times 3 plus or minus root of 73 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 73. Since minus root 73 is not possible. The answer A is equal to 3 plus root 73, since minus root 73 is, or let's say 3 minus root 73 is not possible, as it has to be a positive number. So our answer here is A is equal to 3 plus root 73. Question number 10. A straight tunnel is to be made through a mountain. A surveyor observes the two extremities A and B of the tunnel to be built from a point P in front of the mountain. So you have a point P which is in front of the mountain, and these are the extreme points A and B, and if AP is 3 kilometers, so the distance AP is 3 kilometers, BP is 5 kilometers, the distance from B to P is 5 kilometers, and the angle ABP, APB, this angle is 120 degrees. Then find the length of the tunnel. So we need to find this length. So we have two sides and an angle. So we can use cosine formula. So in triangle APB, what is given to us is angle P is equal to 120 degrees, and the side A is equal to AP will be opposite to B, so that will be B, and BP is opposite to A, so this will be our small a. So small a is equal to BP is 5 and small b is equal to 3. So what we need to find is AB squared. So AB squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos P, which is equal to A squared is 5 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 5 into 3 cos 120 degrees. Now cos 120 degrees is equal to cos 90 plus 30 degrees, which is equal to minus sine 30 degrees, that will be equal to minus 1 by 2. So filling all the values, 25 plus 9 plus 30 into 1 by 2. Since minus and minus will become plus, so this is 15. So your answer is 34 plus 15, which is 49. Therefore, AB is equal to root 49, which is equal to 7. Therefore, the length of the tunnel built is 7 kilometers.
Thank you for watching Maths Tutorial Anand. Please like and you can comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.